Hey guys, today let's learn how to hide and lock chats on WhatsApp. So if you guys want to go ahead and do this and basically lock your chats and also hide them, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this on WhatsApp step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the WhatsApp application. Now once we're already here, let's go ahead and of course proceed with the preferred chat that we want to go ahead and lock and hide. So in this case, I want to go ahead and let's say for example that I want to go ahead and lock this chat over here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and basically view their profile. So let's tap on their profile, let's tap on their names over here, and let's scroll to the option to proceed to locking this chat. As you see, it won't really be available with every user. So what we want to do first is to unarchive the chat. So let's proceed with unarchiving this chat and proceed with now enabling the chat lock. So let's go ahead and tap on chat lock. And all we need to do is to tap on lock this chat with Face ID and tap on OK. Basically, your Face ID is now going to be scanned and now the chat is locked. You can now find this chat in the locked chats tab. So tap on view if you want to go ahead and view the chat, and as you see, it's right here. And if you want to go ahead and access the chat, all we need to do is to tap on it, have our Face ID scanned, and we can now go ahead and access the chat. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.